Hi, I'm Maria Villegas, and I want to show you how to make roasted butternut squash with gorgonzola and sage. Okay, so this is diced or cubed rather butternut squash. You can buy this in your grocery. Your local groceries will have this now. It's a very, very good item. It's convenient. Instead of buying a whole big butternut squash and peeling it and dicing it and seeding it and everything, you can buy it diced in a bag, and it's a beautiful thing. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some unsalted butter, and we want to put that in the skillet. And then what you need to do is just take some regular olive oil and just put a few drops in there, just a few drops. And then that's going to bring the smoking point of the butter higher so the butter doesn't burn. Okay, so now you have, this is what you want it to look like, and it's really hot, and then we're ready to put the sage in. You can smell it's starting to get nutty, and then you're going to take your sage and you're going to throw the sage. Oh, if you could smell this, you would faint. And just put it in there, and you want to get this crispy. So you're actually frying the sage, and you don't have to deep fry it because look at the sage. I mean, it's a little bitty leaf. Okay, so you see how the sage is, oh God, see, look, it's crunchy, it's crispy, and it's brown like that. It's really, really, it's good, and it's like, that's what you want. You want that sizzle. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take about a little handful like this of garlic, and we're gonna throw that in there. And we want to stir it really well because we don't want the garlic to burn. And then, oh God, can you smell this? Then we're going to take the butternut squash. Yeah. That's a beautiful thing. And then we're going to move the butternut squash around. We're going to coat it with the sage, the garlic, and the butter. And then we are going to turn off the heat, and I am going to show you the last step. Gorgonzola goes very well with butternut squash. It's pungent. It's up to you how much gorgonzola you want to put in it. I love it, and I don't think you can have too much. So this is probably about a half a cup, and you see how it's already melting? Now you can turn the fire on low if you want to, or you can just keep stirring it and get it all mixed up. And then what you don't want to do is you don't want to salt and pepper this until you taste it, because you salt and pepper the squash before it goes into the oven. And remember, gorgonzola cheese is really salty. Roasted butternut squash with gorgonzola and sage. Oh, yeah!